Okay, welcome. So we're going to start on the front of our bodies. We're going to be doing some exercises to open up our chest and help to extend the back of the body. So we're going to lie on our front and our hands are just underneath the shoulders and forehead touches the floor. You might find it comfortable with a little pillow underneath the belly, or you can just be as I am. So I'm going to press into the hands, I'm going to draw the elbows back, draw the shoulders down away from the ears. And then we're gently pressing into the hands and rising up the head, the neck and the chest. So try to keep the head in alignment with the spine and then dropping back. If that's too much, you come to diamond press, elbows out to the side, make a little diamond with your hand, the thumb and forefingers touching. And that should be plenty enough for you to lift and lower. But if the back felt okay, keep the hands underneath the shoulders, elbows draw back. So we inhale to prepare. On the exhalation, rise up the head, neck and chest. Draw the shoulders down and away from the ears. And then lower back down. So we're gently rising up. And lowering. Rising up. And lowering. And rising. And lowering. Let's try dart, if that was okay. So hand alongside the body, forehead to the floor. Inhale, expand the ribs, prepare. And on the exhalation, draw in the belly and pull up the pelvic floor. So we inhale, expand the ribs, and on the exhalation, draw in the belly, pull up the pelvic floor. As we rise up the head, neck and chest, we reach out through the fingertips as we extend the arms away. If this pulls the back, go to one of the earlier ones, or try with your legs slightly apart, and then lower back down. So we're aiming on the exhalation to lift and lengthen, draw in the belly, pull at the pelvic floor, and then lower back down. Exhale, reach, lengthen, keep that chin slightly tucked, so the chin's not lifted, so there's no strain in the back of the neck, and then lower, and last time. Rising up, lengthening, breathing, and lowering. Then folding the arms in front, dropping the forehead, down into the hands. Inhale to prepare, on the exhalation, lengthening through the right leg as you begin to lift the right leg off the mat. And then lower down. So we're going to do 8 with our right leg. So we're going to exhale, draw in the belly, and lift at the pelvic floor, lift at the leg, and inhale, lower the leg, expand the ribs. If you're losing the breath, don't worry, leave the breath, just do the movement. So exhale, lift and lengthen. Inhale, expand the ribs, lower. Exhale, lift and lengthen. Inhale, expand the ribs, lower. Exhale, extend. Inhale, lower. Exhale, extend. Inhale, lower. And exhale, extend. Inhale, lower. And then gently rock that leg from side to side, releasing out any tension in the leg. Okay, other side. So if that's too much for you for 8, just do less. Inhale, expand the ribs. Exhale, lift and lengthen. Inhale, expand the ribs, lower. Exhale, lengthen through the leg, draw in the belly, pull up the pelvic floor, and then lower. Exhale, extending away. Inhale, lower. Exhale, extend away. Inhale, lower. Exhale, draw in belly, pull up the pelvic floor. Inhale, lower, expand ribs. Exhale, reach away. Inhale, lower. And exhale, reach away. And inhale, lower. And rock the leg from side to side. Making your way onto the side of the body. And then bending the top leg, reaching around, taking hold of the foot. And try to avoid this knee coming up too high. So try and keep it in alignment with the hip. You're trying to draw the knee backwards. You might be really tight in the front of the hip, the front of the leg, so you might struggle with this. In which case you can just grab hold of your trouser leg if you've got baggy trousers on, or use a strap around the foot, which is a belt, a scarf. Shoulders are down and away from the ears. We're aiming to draw this knee backwards. So I'm quite flexible with this. My knee comes quite far back, but it might be in alignment with the other leg. Breathe. Good. And release. Then rolling onto the other side. Heel towards buttocks, reaching hold of the foot if you can. Use a strap if need be. Breathe and try not to keep that knee up too high, keep it down. Extending backwards and breathing. Try not to arch through the lower back at all, keep the belly in to protect the back. And I'm making a cushion with my hands and arm, but you might just use a cushion there. Good. And releasing. So I'm glad you joined me today for this exercise. I hope you have a great day and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.